Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Treasury yield hit its highest in over a decade, and the dollar strengthened as the message the Federal Reserve means business tackling inflation kept investors on edge before an expected hefty interest rate hike this week. Demand for cryptocurrencies as a payment method has drastically declined over the past 6 months, according to Takis Georgiakopoulos, global head of payments at JP Morgan Chase & Co. In a big week for monetary policy, the US Federal Reserve and Bank of England are under pressure to show they are serious about tackling stubbornly high inflation. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.8% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold dropped 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Tesla stock gained 0.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The US Fed interest rate decision will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The Dutch consumer spending volume at 0430 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 0930 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence ADJ will be released at 0430 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 hours GMT. The US FOMC press conference at 1830 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.